During the Second World War, Germany became known for engineering that seemed far beyond its time, yet behind the tanks, the planes, and the rockets there existed a hidden side, a world of secret labs, underground factories, and experimental designs that pushed the limits of technology in ways the world had never seen. From the very beginning, German engineers were under immense pressure. The war demanded faster tanks, stronger aircraft, and machines that could turn the tide of battle. They worked day and night creating designs that were often years ahead of what other nations were building, but many of these projects remained hidden, kept away from public eyes, buried deep in secrecy. One of the most mysterious parts of this hidden world was the development of advanced aircraft. German engineers experimented with jet engines, flying wings, and new shapes that broke traditional limits, while other nations relied on propeller planes. Germany tried to leap into the future with machines that could fly faster than anything on the battlefield. These experimental aircraft showed glimpses of the jet age long before the war ended. Beneath the ground, hidden factories worked endlessly, developing weapons that were considered impossible at the time. Engineers studied rockets capable of reaching distant targets. They explored guided missiles, radar systems, and electronic tools that could change how wars were fought. These technologies were kept under tight control, known only to a few trusted scientists and military leaders. Tank development also revealed a hidden side. German engineers built some of the heaviest and most complex tanks of the war, machines with thick armor, enormous guns, and powerful engines. While these tanks were feared on the battlefield, they also exposed the challenges of pushing machinery beyond practical limits. Many prototypes never reached mass production because they were too expensive, too heavy, or too complicated for the realities of war. Another secret world existed inside research centers where engineers explored ideas that seemed like science fiction. They tested night vision devices, infrared equipment, underwater breathing systems, and new materials designed to resist heat and impact. While many of these inventions were never fully deployed, they laid the foundation for future military technology around the globe. The hidden side of German engineering was not just about machines, it was also about the intense competition between different groups, each trying to prove their vision was the key to victory. Some projects received huge resources, while others were abandoned despite their potential. This constant fight for power shaped what the engineers created and what remained locked away in secrecy. As the war turned against Germany, many secret projects were rushed, incomplete factories were moved underground, and engineers worked under extreme pressure to deliver breakthroughs that might reverse the war. Desperate conditions led to even more experimental designs, pushing technology further, but often too late to make a difference. When the war ended, the Allies uncovered this hidden world piece by piece. They were shocked by the advanced prototypes, blueprints, and strange machines they found. Many engineers were taken to work in foreign research programs, their ideas becoming the foundation for post-war rockets, jets, missiles, and future technologies. Today, the hidden side of German engineering in WW2 remains a powerful reminder of how far innovation can go under intense pressure and how many groundbreaking ideas can remain buried in secrecy. It shows both the brilliance and the limits of technology during one of the most devastating conflicts in history.